Hello and welcome to the session. We're going to learn about Docker multistage build. There are two topics. What is Docker multistage build? How to implement multistage build in Springboot Microservice Image. What is Docker multistage builds? I built Springboot Microservice Docker Image in previous session. First, I use Maven Docker Image, compile Java source code, and create a runnable jar file. Second, copy the jar file to OpenGRE image and make entry point in the GRE image. Maintain two steps are not easy task, even go B shell script. Also, it was very common to have one Docker file to use for the development, which contain everything needed to build your application, and slimmed down one to use production, which only contained the application and exactly what was needed to be run it. It's called builder pattern. Maintain two Docker files are not ideal. Multistage builds can fix about the issue. Multistage builds has multiple from statement in Docker file. Each from instruction can use a different basic image, and each of them begins a new stage of the build. I can selectively copy artifact from one stage to other, leaving behind everything you don't want to into the final image. Optimize Docker files. Keep the image size down. There are two advantages of Docker multistage builds. How to implement multistage builds in Springboot Microservice Docker Image. I'm go Docker files show the detail. There are two new parameters in the commands. From basic image as stage name. Stage name is a magic keyword. It's like a hook for each stage. Copy from stage name. Copy has three parameters. First, from stage name. It mentions which stage you want to copy file. Second, source file. The source file from the mentioned stage. Latest, target file. There are two stages in the Docker file. First, stage 1, compile Java source code and create a runnable jar file. Parent image is a Maven OpenJDK 8. As build is stage name. Environment command. Mention source code location. Copy source code from local to image. Copy Maven POM file from local to image. Add user and group. User is build, group is build. Change home build ownership to build and build group. Switch user, work folder, build command, Maven build. Skip test, skip unit test. POM file name, clean and package. Stage 2, create a microservice image from OpenJDK 8. Add metadata information, use label, commands, argument, same as before. Only the different is there. Copy from stage name. Copy the runnable jar file from build stage to current image. Copy from build stage. The source folder is /from/build /target/demo -0.0.1 -snapshot.jar to current image. App folder, jar name change to demo.jar. Remaining item is same. There's only difference in there. One thing we need to pay attention, environment parameter cannot cross stage. For example, environment app build home. need to mention in both stages. Environment cannot cross stage layer because each stage is new build start point. Open my terminal and log in. Go make MVN folder. First, create a Docker file. Next, build Docker image. Build type is microservice. Version is v5. Build context is current folder. Build successfully. Next, get image detail. Docker image, inspect, image name and version. There is only one parent image. The parent image from second stage. And then run container. Docker container run, detach mode. Image name, microservice v5. Minor rm, automatically delete container after stop. Publish port. Mapping local box 9999 to image port 9999. Image information. Container is running. Verify Springboot log. Docker logs container name can show specific container logs. Running successfully. Test the 205 APIs. First, test add user API. Headers. Next, check our result. Use the find user API. API working as my expectation. I hope now you understand the Docker multistage builds and can use the multistage build in your projects. I will meet you in next episode of Docker.